Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create text outline in Microsoft Word. So firstly type your text here. Now select and change the size. Now here you will see text effect. Click this drop down and select any style. So here in outline select any color. Now right, and here in outline in weight select like 3 or 4 point, and here select white. Now here in color select white. Now in outline color you can select any color and you see the different between. Now you can change color from here. So this way you can create text outline in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.